We can create, delete or hide rows and columns as per our needs. Example I am showing you. To hide a row, a group of row, to hide a row or a group of row, select the row, home, format, hide, hide row. That row is hidden. Similarly, we can hide a column, select the column, format, hide, hide column. If you want to hide a number of columns or rows, select the rows, format, hide, hide rows. Similarly, select the columns to be hidden, format, hide, hide columns. To unhide these columns or rows, select the area the column has to be hidden, format, hide and hide, unhide column. Similarly, select the area the row has to be hidden, format, hide and hide, unhide rows. To insert a row or column, position cursor pointer to insert the sheet row. A row is added to the above. Similarly, to add a column, position cursor to the right of column to be added. Insert sheet column. To delete permanently a column or row, select the column, delete. Similarly, select the row, delete. What is a cell in Excel? Cell is a rectangle shaped. It is an intersection of a row and a column. Each cell has a number or a name. It is the combined name of column and a row number. Example, I am positioning cursor in the column G and positioning the cursor in 9, row 9. So the cell number is G9. Similarly, I am positioning cursor in column L, then the row number is position 16. So the cell number is L16. In name box we can see the cell number. Each cell number we can see in name box. A number by itself is right aligned and character is left aligned. We can change the format of a numeric cell by going to the home tab. In number format, we can change number in number format. Again, accounting, and next one the currency, then next one the short date, then next one the long date. Then I'm changing it to time, then percentage, then I'm returning back to general. So before or after entering a numeric cell, we can change this format. Example, I am changing this format of these cells. I am giving the currency format, then I am typing any value. We can see the difference. In Excel, the data cut, copy, paste is simple. Example, I am selecting the data and clicking on cut, then the data is marked and asking about select the destination and press enter or choose the paste. I am selecting the destination, position cursor here. I am giving the insertion enter key. Okay, it is copied. Again I am selecting the data. I am giving the insertion copy. Now I am selecting the area to copy. I am selecting another sheet, sheet 1, position cursor, click on paste. Okay, the data is copied. Then I am going back to the source data. Okay, this data is there. To cancel this selection marking, press enter. To move this data to another location, select the data, click on the outline, move this data. Pointer shapes in Excel. it is important. Example, I am positioning cell pointer in 1. I am moving this value. Example, okay, it is moved. The second one, the narrow crosshair, extend the data or formula. Thick crosshair for selection. Resize shape for resizing a column or a row.